Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed and I'm excited to guide you through the transformative world of Facebook marketing. Brace yourself for an exploration that goes beyond the fundamentals, delving deep into strategies and tools that will distinguish you in the realm of digital marketing. First up, from setting up a business page to mastering the art of Facebook Live, we leave no stone unturned. You'll explore everything from content creation to community engagement, giving you the tools to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of Facebook marketing. But wait, there's more! We're unlocking the secrets of advanced targeting strategies. Custom audiences, retargeting, demographic targeting will guide you through it all. This isn't just about reaching your audience, it's about reaching them with precision, ensuring your message resonates where it matters most. And speaking of precision, enter the world of Facebook ads and Facebook Business Manager. Learn how to create compelling ads that captivate your audience's attention and drive results. With Facebook Business Manager, you'll have a centralized hub to manage your ads, track performance, and gain valuable insights. It's the control center for your digital marketing campaigns, allowing you to streamline your efforts and maximize your ROI. Additionally, we'll demystify the process of installing pixels and setting up datasets. Pixels are the backbone of effective tracking and analytics, allowing you to measure the success of your campaigns accurately. Datasets, on the other hand, empower you to organize and analyze your data strategically. We'll guide you step by step, ensuring you harness the full power of these tools to refine your targeting, measure conversions, and optimize your ad spend effectively. Ever wonder how to dominate in the mobile space? We've got you covered with our Mobile Marketing Mastery module. From mobile-friendly content creation to leveraging mobile ad formats, we'll ensure your campaigns shine on the small screen. Because let's face it, in today's world, the mobile is king. But we're not stopping there. We're delving into the power of live streaming with Facebook Live and unleashing the potential of video marketing. From live sessions that captivate to video optimization strategies that dazzle, you'll master the art of visual storytelling in the digital age. And what's a marketing strategy without analytics? We're deciphering the data maze with our module on Facebook Insights and Analytics. Learn to interpret metrics, set meaningful KPIs, and refine your strategies based on real-time insights. Plus, we're exploring the art of community building, because a thriving community is the heart of successful marketing. So, buckle up and get ready to immerse yourself in a course that covers the basics and also goes beyond the basics, equipping you with the skills to thrive in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. Ready to level up? Join us in the Facebook marketing course where dreams meet digital marketing dominance.